Hey there, and welcome. If you've ever thought about breaking into the world of AI, but had no idea where to even start, then you've come to exactly the right place. Today, we're going to break down the perfect entry point for anyone, Microsoft's Azure AI 900 Exam. Okay, let's get into it.
You know the feeling, right? You just finished binging a show, and boom, right there on your screen is a new recommendation that feels like it was picked just for you. How on earth does that happen? Is it some kind of magic? Well, not exactly. That, my friends, is one of the most powerful and common applications of AI, and it's called machine learning. It's the engine running under the hood of so much of our digital lives, from those spooky good recommendations to unlocking your phone with just a glance.
So let's clear this up real quick because it's important. Think of artificial intelligence, or AI, as the big giant umbrella. The whole idea of getting machines to do smart stuff. Machine learning, or ML, is one of the most important ways we actually make that happen. It's a piece of AI where instead of programming every single rule, we just feed a machine tons of data and let it figure out the patterns all on its own.
But look, this isn't just about cool features on your phone anymore. Understanding this stuff is becoming totally fundamental to how our world operates. It's so important, in fact, that it's now being written into actual law.
And that brings us to the super important idea, responsible AI. Now, this isn't about slowing down progress. Just like the quote says, it's about building a framework, some guardrails, so we can all trust that this powerful technology is being used safely and fairly. It's about building a solid foundation.
And listen, this is not some theoretical, far-off concept. Just look at this timeline for the EU AI Act. These are real laws with real deadlines rolling out right now. This means having a basic understanding of AI isn't just a nice-to-have skill for your resume anymore. It's quickly becoming a need-to-know.
Okay, so with all this crazy change happening, where do you even begin? How do you get on this train? Well, that brings us right to the perfect starting line, the AI 900 certification.
The AI 900 is Microsoft's foundational cert for AI. And here is the absolute most important part, so listen up. No coding experience is required. I'm going to say that again. No coding required. This exam is not for expert programmers, it's for everyone, whether you're a student, a project manager, or looking for a total career change.
Let's just quickly run through the logistics. You get 90 minutes for about 40 to 60 questions. You need a 700 out of 1,000 to pass, which is totally doable. The price varies, but it's around $99. And here's the best part. This certification does not expire. You earn it, it's yours. Forever. How awesome is that? So what do you actually need to study? Well, the exam is spread out pretty evenly across 5 main topics. You can see machine learning principles is the biggest chunk, but stuff like computer vision, natural language processing, and the super hot topic of generative AI are all weighted almost equally. The goal here isn't to become a deep expert in one thing, it's to get a really solid, wide-ranging understanding of the whole field.
All right, so you know the what and the why. Now it's time for the how. Let's lay out a simple, proven game plan that'll get you ready for exam day. Pretty much everyone who aces this exam says the same thing, and it really comes down to these 4 steps. First, start with the official Microsoft Learn path. It's free and it's your go-to source. Second, watch some videos to see these ideas in action. Third, and this is crucial, you've got to get your hands dirty in the Azure labs. And finally, take the official practice tests to see where you're at before the real thing.
Okay, so knowing what to do is half the battle. Knowing what not to do is the other half. So let's talk about the single biggest trap people fall into when they're studying for this. And here it is, getting stuck in theory land. You can read about Azure's AI services all day long, but if you've never actually clicked around the portal or tried to deploy a simple model yourself, there's going to be a huge gap between what you know and what you understand. You just won't have that real-world context for the questions.
So what's the fix? Simple. Use the hands-on labs and sandboxes. They are these amazing, risk-free playgrounds where you can experiment without breaking anything. This is where the light bulb moments happen. It's the bridge that takes you from theory to actual practice, and it's where your confidence will really start to build.
And hey, don't get discouraged if you stumble. I absolutely love this story from a Reddit user who missed passing by just a handful of points. So close. But they didn't give up. They went back, reviewed their weak spots, and came back the very next day to crush it with a score of 900. It's just a great reminder that a little persistence goes a long, long way.
So, you put in the time, you do the work, you pass the exam, now what? What's the real payoff? Why does this one little certification actually matter so much?
Think of this certification as your launchpad. For one, it's actual proof you can show to employers that you get the fundamentals of AI. 2, it can seriously open doors to new jobs. And 3, it's the perfect foundation for more advanced, hands-on certs down the road, like the Azure AI Engineer certification, the AI 102.
At the end of the day, every big, ambitious journey, whether you're climbing a mountain or building a career in tech, it all starts with that one solid foundational first step. The AI 900 is exactly that step.
So, the path is clear. The resources are out there for you. The opportunity is absolutely massive. The only real question left is, what are you going to build with it?